Hello, everybody. Today we are doing a Caribbean chicken sandwich, and we have special sauce and flaming chips, and we have our tater tots, and we have our special house seasoning for them. Now we're going to go ahead and fix up our other Caribbean flaming hot chicken sandwich. My sauce is on, and now I'm going to go ahead and finish them up with flaming hot chips. In the meantime, can you please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and put on your notification button? That way you won't miss any videos or recipes if I choose to post. Please join me on Duke Star on a YouTube channel and put in Duke Star cream cheese. I'm sorry, I take that back. Duke Star 7-Up cream cheese pound cake. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, everybody, we put on our flaming chips. Now we're going to go ahead and put on our other bread. And we're done. Good to the heart, mind, and the soul. God is love. And I'll see you on the next video. Y'all have a good day.